HP Laserjet printer M1136 MFP. Error is E8. So we have to refix this scanner. So we are going to open this all 4 screws out here. Open this screw. Open this screws too. So we have to open this. Open this cover and keep it aside. And this is our scanner. Okay, so this is our scanner which we have to refix. As you can see here, this is the connection out here. Okay, so we have to refix this connector. Just clean and refix. Just check it out nicely. Okay, and put it back. Okay, so we fix this one. Now let's check if this works or not. Let's put it back, everything. And power it on. It seems it's working. As you can see here on the display, HP it's glowing. It should not come E2.
I'll do one thing, I'll send my boy there and then he will give you a call from there.
Scanner alignment is in progress.
Yeah, alright. That's what I'm sending my boy there. Then
As you can see here that E8 error is no more. Okay, so our machine is ready. Let's scan, copy anything and then see how it works.